She said I was so broke. Well, bitch, I'm not now. Name while I'm my baby. Don't want bitch, get it locked down. I can't say that right now. Middle of the day, look back now. Nowadays, I can do what I want. I can just serve that one. I'm a star, can't be no killer. I'ma pay my homies. I'ma pay my homies. I can fit the shoes, I'm a stunner. I could relieve on a Monday. Still do the show right on Sunday. We was geeked up by the country. I had the money, still don't know the song. She said, can I get some rich? No way. She said, S to the race, no way. She said, the S to the race, no way. Billie Jean, she tryna get my way. Like to get out of my mental state. Smoke to the face of my mental state. Don't think me hate on my mental straight. Said that bitch away with extra K. Matter of fact, I don't get too close, no way. I'ma just pour it out. You get fucked with a psycho. I'ma go get that porno back. I'ma go get that money though. I'ma go get that money though. I'ma go get it, whoa, hey. I just made how to get right from my show. He said my album was trashy. I ain't just shit since last year. Made another mention last week. Felt like yesterday and fast here. She said I was so broke. Well, bitch, I'm not now. Name while I'm my baby. Don't want bitch, get it locked down. I can't say that right now. Middle of the day, look back now. Nowadays, I can do what I want. I can just serve that one. I'm a star, can't be no killer. I'ma just pay my homies. I'ma just pay my homies. I ain't even pay for my brother. I got that shit for my homie. I heard he gotta be running, so I get that shit to my brother. Yeah, I heard he bought a new mansion, so I did it with to my mother. Nowadays I just do everything my way. Money in pants, sneakers, shit for Kanye. Let's go ahead and let it away. Fuck all the heartbreak. I still change this and I'm out the heartache. Back to real life, my Jesus from now.
King Boy Trying today here. We are here to talk about the update on my truck actually. First off, I got my truck back. As I can see, I got the 8-inch FTS lift on there, and it drives pretty good. I mean, I'm loving the lift right now. As you can see in the video, it turned out. I'm only missing a few pieces. I know y'all probably wondering like, you missing a few pieces on the lift. Yeah, I know. I have not installed my coilovers on it yet, and I have not installed my upper A on. As you can know in this video, the red upper A on, upper control on, is my old one. I have not installed. I got to order another one because the one I have got, it was warped for some reason, the bent. So that I couldn't use it. So basically I got my rough country 6-inch strut with a 2-inch lever on top on it right now. But I do have the coilover powder coated red and everything. I just gotta order new A-ons and I'm gonna put the right coilover, the FTS coilover in there. But as you can see, this is a true 8-inch lift. I have no angles, like my axles are perfect, my angles are perfect, everything is just legit perfect. Like everything turned out pretty good. So let's get to the video. Let's show you what we got going on. Alright, first off, you can see this is my old upper control on. That's why it's got chips and stuff on here. But the one I had from Ford thought it was actually warped for some reason. It was silver. I didn't install it right there, but I am gonna order another one. And this is the rough country strut, lifted strut. Actually, the coilover goes out, the spring goes all the way down. I got that at the house. It's fully powder coated. I just got to install it. But other than that, it's sitting 8-inch technically like it's supposed to be sitting. So as you can see, the FTS, I got that powder coated, the sway bar link powder coated, I got the lower control arm powder coated, silver, metallic silver. As you can see, you might be able to see some flakes. That's the Ford throttle cross member right there. I have the rear cross member, if I can get the camera just right. Got the rear cross member powder coated. I even got the brackets that hold the diff, the front diff. It's powder coated. Also, if you go off on there, you can see how the Ford throttle lift is. It's actually a flat plate. Like the cross member is actually straight across, but it's got like a plate on the front of it that gives you that swoop to match the Ford. And I gotta do a little cleanup. As you can see, that's all that red right there stolen from when I had painted the rough country on the truck. So I'm gonna have to get that filled in and fixed right there. But as you can see, my angles are flawless. I mean, perfect pretty much. I also got the spinner powder coated. I got the front dust cover powder coated. I need to actually wipe it down. I got a few grease things and stuff when they install it. But other than that, all that's new axles, new vacuum hubs, new vacuum lines. Come down to the back right here. I got the traction bar right here. I got it powder coated red. I did the front bracket mount, or the traction bar mount. I got it powder coated metallic silver. And y'all probably wondering what that wire is, which I need to tape it up. That wire actually is the wire that goes inside my traction bar, because the way I have my traction bars is I had a hole drilled through it right there on the top part right here, so I can wire my lights actually in it. So it's actually a hose. I can feel it. I can feel it when I can run my. I actually had lights inside the traction bars. I just haven't installed them back because I just really hadn't had too much time. But if you look down at the bottom right here, I got the dry silver, fully powder coated metallic silver. The way it mounts up from the back right there, that's powder coated metallic silver. This traction bar is actually a rough country traction bar. It fits 215 on up. F150, I had to modify it to have it installed because it does not fit this truck. So I had it custom fabricated. That's the full throttle shocks right here. It may be able to tell better because it's got a logo on it. It's on the front of it though. Yeah, you can see a little bit FTS if it stay in focus. I got the leaf springs powder coated. As you can see, red, silver, red. That's the full throttle block. I got it powder coated silver. The top piece powder coated silver. I got the Saka powder coated red to match the rear axle. As you can see right here, I got the entire rear axle powder coated. Come back here. You get a better view right here. As you can see, I got the whole drive shaft powder coated. The entire drive shaft powder coated. It turned out pretty good actually. And I also got the diff cover powder coated silver. So it actually turned out amazing. Like he did a dang good job. The dust seals are red on here. I got the bracket, the brake caliper bracket, whatever, the match to the caliper. It's powder coated silver. Now the caliper is not powder coated, but I had thought about powder coating the caliper. I just don't know how long would it stay because of the heat and the brake dust that come from it. Which I got ceramic brake pads, but still, you know, a little bit of dust come from it. Also, with the FTS, I don't have the kicker brackets installed. There's a front traction bar that goes similar to this. It's not like this right here, but it's a single bar that actually mounts to the transmission control mount and goes to the front. You really can't tell. You might be able to see them holes right there. I haven't installed that yet. It's at the house. I'm gonna install it. You can see my sway bar link. Well, not my sway bar link, but my sway bar. The actual bushing part right there. You can see that I put new bushings in it, and you can see the it's been powder coated. So yeah, pretty much we did the whole truck. Far as ride quality goes, pretty much about the same. I can't really tell the difference. Simply because I'm riding on the rough country strut. But once I change it out to the coilover, it probably is going to change the ride different quite a bit. I need to do a little cleaning up on the diff. I still got smudge marks and stuff with, you know, fingerprints where they've been put when they install it. But other than that, the FTS turned out pretty damn good. I mean, I like it. It turned out pretty dang good. Really no problems. I got no problems with it. It sits lower in the back than it normally did. With the rough countries, they got 6-inch blocks. The full throttle got 5-inch blocks. The full throttle got an 8-inch front part, 8-inch lift from the front. So it's actually squatted a little bit. Not too much, but a little bit more than I really wanted to be, because I'm used to being 6 inches in the back or 7 inches in the back, which I had thought about adding an adder leaf to level it out. I haven't made my mind up yet. It looks kind of cool though, with a little bit of lean, because it's not too bad, but it's, you know, it's not too much either. It can definitely come up some more in the front, because it's not really up that high with the strut. The coilover is supposed to raise it up a true 8 inches, so it's probably not even true 8 inches in the front. It's probably more likely like 7.5 or something like that. But other than that, this is my truck. This is just an update. This ain't really a review, because I still got quite a few things, if you know it. I got a lot of stuff I need to install. Like I got new headlights, new grill. I need to do some more powder coating onto the back of the truck. I still got a whole lot of more stuff to do. New exhaust tips. As you can see, my exhaust tips are pitted real bad. I need to get those replaced. So I got my hands full. Also, I gotta touch up on those in the back right there. They looking kind of bad. I'm debating on taking those out probably later on in time. I haven't made my mind up yet, but I'm probably gonna take that out. But yeah, this is it right here. This is the F150, the full throttle 8-inch F150. I think I may be the only truck on YouTube that's got a 11 gen with an FTS lift on it. I don't really know any 11 gens on YouTube right now that's got an FTS lift on it. And I don't know, and I haven't seen too many 11 gens personally with an FTS lift on them. Maybe 2 or 3 since I've been having the truck pretty much. So yeah, that's it right there. I'm enjoying it. Stay tuned, because I got a lot of content coming. So much content coming right now. I got so much stuff I got to get done before scraping, and as you know, scraping is only about 4 weeks from here. So yeah, I hope y'all like my build. It's not fully complete yet. I'm gonna do a final review video, a final reveal probably part 3 of this build right here later on before scraping, when I have the rest of my parts installed and everything else, because I still haven't installed my wheel lights and other things to it too. But yeah, I hope y'all like it. And this is the King Boy channel. Y'all stay tuned. We almost at 1,000 subscribers. We at 987 the last time I looked. So like, share, subscribe. Hit that subscribe, because we are so close to 1,000 subscribers. We like right there. So 987 subscribers. Y'all go in here, share and subscribe to this video right here. This is the King Boy channel. Stay tuned. Got more stuff coming, and we out.